Welcome to Faris Academy's Python programming series. In this journey, you'll go from absolute beginner to confident Python programmer. Each episode focuses on one essential topic, packed with real examples and practical insights. Whether you're learning for school, career, or just curiosity, you're in the right place. Flow control in Python. In this section, we'll learn how to control the flow of your Python programs. Flow control includes decision-making, using if statements, and repeating actions using loops like for and while. If statements allow your program to make decisions. If a condition is true, a specific block of code will run. You can also use elif for more conditions, and else for default behavior. A for loop repeats a block of code a specific number of times, or for each item in a sequence. For example, for I in range 5 will print numbers from 0 to 4, while loops repeat a block of code as long as a given condition is true. Use them when the number of iterations isn't fixed. For example, while count is less than 5, print count. Break stops the loop completely, while continue skips the current iteration and moves to the next. These are useful for managing loop control in more complex logic. Try this challenge. Create a loop that prints numbers 1 to 10. Skip the number 5 using continue, and stop the loop entirely if the number reaches 8 using break. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Faris Academy and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episodes. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.